Hello, I'm going to record a quick demo video for this template from OneKode. This is for a restaurant website. This can be configured for any restaurant. Um, I'll go through with it quickly and then I'll explain how things are configured in the bubble itself. So yeah, this is the landing page, and here we can replace the image for any restaurant that we are making this app for or this website for. Then yeah, there are a few buttons, a menu, then you can link socials here, deals and promotions, and then most popular items. This is based on the most ordered items from the menu, and then you can also book a reservation as well. Let's try to go to menu, and yeah, I can also explore the gallery of the restaurant as well. If they are if they are going to put something here, they can do that. Then there is about us, then there is help is basically FAQ, frequently asked question, which you can configure it in the template. And then going back to the menu, if I, let's say, try to order some burgers, and then also, okay, I need to log into this to for this to work. I can go here and, let's say, log in. I can sign up as well if I don't have an account. Okay, now this is my user logged in. This is a user account, and I can change my address. This is for the restaurant owner to see where to deliver this, and the Google Map integration is there. Then I can also book a table from here or go to menu and place an order. So let's have a smoked burger. Add it to cart. I also want some starters as well. Let's have some fries, and then also let's add some drinks. So all of this is in the cart. I can go to the cart and then check out, and this order will be placed. If I go and check my profile, this is the order that I placed just now. So it's here. I can manage my orders here. I can delete orders. I can, by deleting them, I am canceling them. I can also change password and other stuff related to my profile here. So yeah, this is the user side of it. And if I go to the admin side or CMS, the pretty cool thing about this template is that everything is configurable in the admin panel. So I can see the users here. There are admin users, and then there are this user role, which is the customer. This is the same user I used to place the order. I can see, and I can go here and see my orders. So yeah, this was the order placed here. It's a new order. I can also, change status as an admin so that the correct status is reflected to the end customer on their website. And I can also manage menu from here by adding or removing or editing products. I have uploaded all of these products, and I can also categorize them as you saw here in the menu. Um, this is basically every product is within some category. And yeah, so this is it. This is the admin panel. And let me go back quickly, go back to the bubble where it is all configured. There are these pages: index, of course, gallery, about us, login, sign up. Then there are a few reusable items here as well. If we talk about database, these are all the data types with privacy rules applied. Of course, security is important. These are the data types which you can go and have a look. Then there is, if we go to an important thing, you need to configure a Google Map API key here and a geocode API key as well, because when you saw on the website where you were as a user or as a customer was able to change your address, then you need a you know you need a geocoding API to basically translate that to um, coordinates. So yeah, let me, for example, enter it. It will, drop a pin here, and this is now my new address, geocoded and saved here. So yeah, you need to add that key that's important for you. And yeah, so that's it. If you have any questions, you can comment on our video or contact us from our website, onecode.co. Let us know what you think of it, and if you have any queries, any problems, you can reach us out. Thank you.